if you're looking to mount your iPhone with Magsafe in your car or anywhere on a window, this one right here from TORRAS, this is like one of the strongest magnets and suction mounts I have seen. This thing is phenomenal. So what you're gonna do is basically you're gonna take this part off here, and you'll have your suction mount, and it has a lot of stick to it, which is great because then it's just gonna add that extra stick if you're gonna leave it there for a while. And then you have a locking mechanism, which is going to suck out all of the air in that suction, just making it stick. So when you lock that in place, it's not gonna go anywhere. And then as soon as you unlock it, you can pull it off with this tab right here at the top. As far as the arm, you have this arm and dual joints with a little bit of a ball head, so you can untighten this part right here, and you can move that ball head around to get the desired angle that you want for your phone. Now, when I say this is very strong, Magsafe, check this out. It is just on there. I mean, it comes off, so it's not a problem, but it's on there. And I like that when it's on, you can still rotate this around. So you can rotate this part around. It just helps you get the exact angle that you want. If you want to move it some other way, you can. And it's got like good stabilization to it. So if your car does shake a bit, this thing is not all over the place bouncing around. It's so strong, great arm, great suction, great Magsafe. Everything you want in a mount like this from TORRAS. Highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.